You have your rim tape installed and your valve installed. It's time to put your tire on. And when installing your tire, first thing I try to look for is on the side of the tire, it tells you which way is the rotation of the tire should go. And so that's the first thing you want to do and get it oriented so that it's going forward. You'll have to, and something to take note of, your disc brake always mounts on the left. So when it's on the bike, this way is forward. So that's how you can know right away which way the wheel only goes on one way. It can't go both ways when talking about a disc brake bicycle. So what I'd like to do is line the brand of the tire up right where you put this valve. That way, for me at least, in a race situation where you could potentially get a puncture and then you're not thinking clearly and trying to hurry, you can look at your tire and right away you know where that valve, that logo is, you know the valve is right there. So line it up there and start there, and then take one side of this tire and just hook it onto the rim all the way around. And I've kind of got most of it, and then just get that last little bit and just kind of roll it up onto the rim. So then I've got half of the tire basically on all the way around. Then I typically will go to the valve side and just go ahead and work most of the tire on there until you get to the bottom. And then I typically use stands, and I just put one of these bottles like full, not the bottle in there, but in this case I have that measured out in this, and we will fill it up, and that's the last of it. And then you just finish buttoning that tire up, trying not to spill this all over you. Some tires are a bit of a tighter fit, so they might take a little bit more effort to get on there, but almost there. Sometimes you can take tire lever and just kind of good work both sides a little bit. Carefully, and there you go. And something, you can use a pump. So a lot of times I'll take a CO2 pump. If you don't have an air compressor and you don't mind like wasting $1 worth of CO2, if you're just in a pinch, you can just use this. And it didn't quite go all the way. And there's one pop. And we'll kind of look right here. And there we go. And on the tire, there's a little line. You kind of want to inspect it all the way around to make sure that your tire is all the way on there. Like right here, you can see that the tire is not quite all the way on there. So I will just kind of pull away and try to get it to seat. I might have to put some more air in it. We will. see, the tire has completely seated itself all the way around. And there you have it. You're ready to go. Tighten your valve up. I like to kind of slosh it around just a little bit, and then should be able to put it on and go hit the trail.